So, buonasera to my Italian colleagues. I have been asked to say a few words on the upcoming lecture series on the Berningshausen repertory method. The purpose of these lectures is to go through the development and construction of Berningshausen's Therapeutisches Taschenbuch repertory and to show how this repertory can be used clinically. There will be many cases, lots of cases for you to work through. The electronic version of our TBR2, that is TBR 2.1 software, will be available as an online version for all participants to use and to work through the cases together with me. Now, it's very important to understand this repertory is very compact, so each rubric must be clearly understood for it to be used quickly. It has no mistakes in this work. We have gone through and checked every rubric against the manuscript of Berningshausen and gone through to the Materia Medica sources, whether they were in Italian or Latin or French, Portuguese, German, English. We went through and we found the symptoms, how then the rubrics were derived from those symptoms. So we know that this repertory is accurate, and if we learn how to apply it accurately, we will get the best outcome. So I look forward to seeing you, to being involved in participating with these lectures. Please know that at the end of each session there will be time for questions. I want to make sure we don't lose anybody. Everybody follows the information. It is not difficult, but it really does require some rethinking of what it means to apply a repertory and some reconditioning to get into the habit of confirming a medicine always by looking at the actual effects of that substance in Materia Medica. Okay, look forward to seeing you and thank you very much. Bye bye.